Woo. Alright. Good morning, people of the internet. This is your boy GJ16. Welcome back to the channel. I want to thank you and appreciate all of y'all for watching. And as I go through this journey as a beginner day trader, today we will be paper trading because I blew my account last week. So we're gonna paper trade till I figure out exactly what I'm gonna do. Whether I'm gonna go back to CMAG. I'm feeling like I want to go back to CMAG, but in honesty, I probably should go to TD Ameritrade and set up my paper, not paper, but my cash account with them. That way I can trade every day, anytime I want to during the day with the small amount of money. I mean, maybe I can gain 50, 60, 50 cents to $1, whatever it is, as I build up my account over there. But yeah, I'm thinking about either going to Thinkorswim or to go back with CMAG. Just get some money riled together and whatever to send over there. But in the meantime, as I work through my feelings on it, I will be paper trading on CMAG until my account closed down, and get some more practice in, some more learning in. I don't want to. One of the things I don't want to give up on learning to trade a day trade. I just need to be more disciplined in what I say or what I do. So yeah, that's what I'm working through. And with that being said, we got a couple movers today. Hertz HTZ, it moved $1 already, but the thing is, and over $1, but it got a 155 float size, and we know Hertz, they got news out about the whole bankruptcy thing, but then they got a bankruptcy bonus or something like that, whatever, 1.5 billion. So this is really moving a lot of the big fishes over there. I got that up there, even though it's a higher float. I got that up there to just keep a watch on, and who knows, I might trade it. It is $2 and some cent. It's just something that I guess with a larger float it moves slower, but today, because it got that news, so many people is over there. Then you got Sgbx, ASLN, RWLK, GPOR, NAV, NNDM, and DPW. And the bell is about to begin in a few minutes. Alright, there's the bell. I don't trade the first minute bar. But what I want to do is I got my resistor lines and support lines, and I want to wait till they hit like support and resistor lines. So like right now, RWLK looked like it was trying to move up there this morning. It might go up and hit the VWAP and come down. Oh, okay, so here we go. Let's see how this ends. And it, well, this was a major support line on a daily, and it just, let's see if it continue to be support. Because I have such a high limit, I'm only gonna be like going in 100 shares on everything and see, because it's more 100 shares is like more realistic of what I'm working with the small accounts. So I might jump in this if this bar closes right there and I'm in. I'm in Sgbx at 340, at 334. I'm looking for the breakup. Hopefully get up to VWAP. We'll see. Now Sgbx is a low float, $7.46. Well, it might have gave me a fake out there. I'm trying to see if that would hold. It probably gave me I'm looking for, is it gonna break through? I might have to flatten out right there. Of course my out is below 320. Is hit, if it hit 320 I'm out, but matter of fact, let me put that in there. 320. Let's see. Did I call it right? It's a bounce off a boom. There I'm talking about, baby. I'm half off in right here. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm taking half right there. And if it comes back down, it's struggling, I'll take all right there. Alright, so I flattened on out. $28. Not bad. Not bad. I probably should have stayed in there for the comeback up right there, but $28 ain't bad on that one. It is a low float. Oh, gee, there you go. It's gonna touch VWAP right here. Is it? You can do it. It should have touched VWAP. It should have touched VWAP. But I see some shorts trying to come in there, but I don't know if that's smart right here. It might be a squeeze up. Oh yeah, they squeezed them out, and it's gonna get a good jump over VWAP. If you in Sgbx, this is definitely it. Let's see here. If it get past the VWAP, it's gonna give a good squeeze above. Oh. It's still, you still good. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . It might be hindsight, but it might be bouncing off of the 9, trying to get back up there to VWAP. But it did touch VWAP. I got out early. But hindsight 2020. I said that I was gonna get the rest of it out once it touched VWAP, but then it gave you a top and tail with a big green bar. Even though it wasn't the biggest bar of the day, it gave you a top and tail with a big green bar, and it's finna come back down and hit. Wow, they dumped it. All right, let's see what else we working with today. NNDM is moving. It's actually over this line. I would like to see it come back and bounce off of here. NNDM bounce off for the $5. Well, $4.80 for me. I mean, it's bouncing off the 5. I know $5 like whole numbers are like could be used as support lines and resistance lines as well. But on the daily, this 488 is a good mark to jump in there. I'm looking for the 488 mark. And Sgbx totally is their Hertz fell off, bro. What is going on? Let's see. Yeah. I just said I was gonna just watch it out. All them people that went in, it just was up there. That's surprising. As high as float as it is. Let's check on the other mover. Man, this is okay. This is giving you something. And this one, NNDM, is moving as well. Is giving you a little something. I'm looking for a comeback to the 488 mark. I'm looking for a comeback on the 488 mark. Let's see, on RWLK, it's playing around a VWAP, but I'm absolutely looking for it to stay right there for the next 5 minutes, or go in and out, try to. It just don't need to come back. It don't need to come back down further than that. NDM is not giving you. It touched the 9 MA, like bump it. I'm going. So that was okay. Let's see here. RWLK. I was looking for if it would have stayed above the VWAP and just messed around with the VWAP for like another 5 minutes. I was looking for a 3-bar play, but that can't happen because it gave back most of its gains. GPOR looks like it might be going into which is very it's a 30 cent stock. You can short it, but you gotta short it at an uptick, and I'm looking for a well, this ain't really, you can't really, no, I would say there was a 3-bar play possibility, but then it's not, so. And this might be a slowly upticker. All for the 9. I don't see. Let's see. It gets it back above. Well, that was gonna be my entry right there, but I'm gonna say if it gets back above, but then it went on. It's really clinging to this 9 EMA. Let's see. Let's check RWLK since that one left me. I probably won't be interested in RWNK until sometime later. Your runner is definitely in NDM. Anything else that's falling that might be DPW? Don't look like anything really happening with DPW. It did bounce off of a support line though. Down here. Although it played around with it and then back up, but it is not moving. NDM is the mover. Let's see here. Let's see. What? RWLK made a rebound right here. Look at it. It's trying to rebound. let's see if it can get over some, but actually I really needed to get past 179. But if it can get over, I wonder why on the daily it's not even at 179, but it went up to 180 something. I don't know, something wrong with that. I'm looking at the daily over here. It's past 179 before, but on the daily chart it's not showing that it even went past 163. But over here it's showing on the 5 minute, 1 minute, it's showing that it passed all of that. It even went up to 180. I don't get it. What is that? Let's see. Fall off. RWLK, NDN. Is it doing? And it's about to hit VWAP in a second. You're trying to fight off the VWAP. Let's see, man. I mean, I'm trying to see. I don't really see no other place, man. Let's see here. I'm looking at NNDM, but also got a little arrow here on the side for RWLK. Everything else then pretty much fell off. NNDM, I was looking forward to come back down to the 488 mark. If it can hit the 488 mark, I might be looking for an entry there. But if it stays strong, then I'm gonna be looking for an entry once it passes 539, and then probably come back down, come down for the bounce off 539 for the break of 550 on NDM. But on RWLK, it's so choppy. It looks choppy, bro. I was looking for a possible entry on it, but my entry for it is all the way down there. Let's see here. NDM, let's see here. NDM look like it's at a possibly consolidation period area where Let's see if it starts showing. If it gives you like a pennant or a flag over here. Let's see, 15 minutes. Alright. It might give you a 3-bar play on a 15-minute chart, but over here on the 5-minute, I'm looking at this 15-minute on the side. Go back to the daily. Alright, it's finally on the VWAP. Let's see how I react to the VWAP. Now, if it loses 5, you know I'm looking for it to bounce off 188 though, or close to it. NAV is a dud. It's just staying right there throughout the whole thing. Yeah, I'm gonna delete AVE, go back to NDM. It looks like once it ramp, it's gonna ramp past this 15-minute. I'm absolutely looking for the 15-minute to close somewhere in there. I don't think it's ready yet. I'm moving Sgbx over to my second monitor, Sgbx, because I'm using this as my 15-minute chart, and of course it's my daily, so I already passed that. So it's continuing to bounce off of that. I'm looking for a 15-minute play on NDM. Okay, RWLK went on and fell off. It gave back 100% of what it did earlier. I thought it was gonna get up there and it was gonna stay above the VWAP, but it didn't. I was looking for, but you can possibly look for a play off of 130 and look for a bounce play there on your 5-minute. NDM, like I said, I'm looking for a 15-minute play on it. I don't see anything else moving today. Hertz totally died off. It went all the way up to $2.87 and then died off. It just bounced off of $2. I don't know how much. It looked like it's about to curve though. It looked like it's about to hit a curve, but would this curve only hit VWAP and come down? I don't know. But it is, I do have I have a resisted line, possible bounce off at 187 on Hertz. It look like my 15-minute play on NNDM about to blow up. It's about to start off early without me. And yeah, it's gonna go. A push above. If we get above 534, above 534, I look for a jump past. Yep, there you go. And now you look for some shorters to come in because it just touched pre-market high at 539. If they get short squeezed out of that, then look for a ramp back down to VWAP. There you have some profit takers, ones who just rode the VWAP up, taking profit, and you have shorters coming in. Hopefully, they'll start coming out around the 9 EMA for a possible jump up above 540 for the break of 550 and up. Shorts in trouble. Shorts in trouble. Shorts trying to get short squeeze. The break of 540. And it's close. You looking for 540 on the bid. 540 on the bid. You got 534, 535, 537, 530, 540. Boom, broke it. Short's gonna get squeezed out of that. Just broke pre-market high on NNDM. Whoa, that did not go as planned. I don't know, guys. It broke pre-market high. Then you seen a 139 short on there. It should have jumped up higher than that. You're looking at 541 on the bid. It needs to hold it. On a 5 minute, it's a good setup on a 5 minute though. There it go. There it go. Look up for it to get to 550 and 550 to 560. That squeeze should give you 10 cents. The squeeze above 550 should give you 10 cents. It was a good 5 minute setup. I had plans to get in at 5:88 though, but good 5 minute off VWAP. It could not break 550. Now you back down below 540. It looked like it's a fake out towards the top. Let's see what they hold. It's starting to look like let's put a on here real quick. Array line. There you go. Oh, I'm looking for 550 on the bid. You get 548, 547, 546. Here we go, 547. Looking for 550 break. Uh, 543. I think everybody else is. You got a pretty big bid over there for 550 yourself on a break. All right. Five 546, 547. It got so close. It got up to 549 and then came down quickly. They are really trying. Look at this bid over here. 707. Oh, look at it. 690. It's so. Oh, it should go. It hit 550. Can it get above 550? Need 550 on a bid. Yo, they are really trying to keep it. They are really trying to keep this thing down. We know that whole numbers, head numbers are resistance and support sometimes. Hence the reason why I kept bouncing off the $5 mark down here. Can it get above 550? It's bouncing between 550 540. Now 15-minute bar was busted. 3-bar play was busted, so I don't see any on the downside either. It's back down the 539. Maybe it's bouncing off the 9 EMA, maybe for a rest to jump past the rest. 550. Here we go. Buyers are back in. Buyers back in for looking for a 550 break. $550 on a bid, looking for $550 on the bid. 547 on the bid. Can it break 549? 550. It was they held a wall of it. Man, let me tell you, the shorters got a wall right there, and the buyers are trying to buy through it. The shorter has a wall right there, 550. They attempted 1, 2, 3 times. Can they get another attempt in there? Usually after 3 times it falls, cause the buyers just get tired. But they're gonna attempt. It look like they finna attempt it one more time. Can they get through? Keep hitting 549, 550, and then breaking down. 549 on the bid. Somebody finna get short. 570. You got 547. It don't look good for the Bulls. They trying. Somebody one of the other finna. 540, 552. Boom. There you go. It's got to go to 560. The Bulls about through. You're looking at 553. What was that? What's going on? They did all that to buy to get through 550. It didn't even go up to 560. It should have exploded up to 550. This is a short stock, Short shares. I mean, it's only got, let's see here, 27 million shares. It should have at least gave you 10 cents, not 3. I don't know. I wouldn't like that. It should have gave you 10 cents out of that. Is it gonna be a late reaction? Okay, there go your late reaction. There you go, 560, 561, and it's out of there, guys. It's out of there. The Bulls won that one. Unfortunately, I wasn't part of the ride. I was looking forward to get in there at 488. Now you're looking at this thing finna get close to 570, 580. There you go. It was a late reaction though. It should have. I was looking forward to squeeze up there earlier than that, but now it's just not going up there. Stun data. I was on the tail end of that squeeze when I blew up my account last Monday, but I would have loved to have been in the right end of the squeeze today. But I was looking for a better entry at 488. But it did rest up on. It gave you a good 5-minute setup over here at off the bounce of $5, and now you're looking at 570 and up. I'm gonna end it right here. It's 10:11. I like to be done trading by this time. I am green today, $28 on a day. I would like to say I wish I would have had more, but hey, $28, one trade, only 200 shares. 100 shares in, 100 shares out. But yeah, we'll see what Monday brings. Fridays normally is bad days anyway, but today was a good day. And I'll see y'all guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace.